Surface modeling workshops in CATIA version 5 make creating complex parts easier. On this designer's drawing, the different curves that will be used in the design must be defined while respecting as much as possible the design's intents. Creating exterior curves or style curves is done entirely using the mouse. At the same time, a dynamic preview of the curvatures is possible. As the part being designed is symmetrical, projection surfaces must be defined in order to enforce tangency conditions on the mold joint. The general form is designed by a join function used on the mold joint. The length of tangency conditions is mastered at the ends of the form upon its creation. With CATIA version 5, manipulating curves and surfaces is very simple, and the number of nodes can be increased or decreased at any moment. Distorting the surface can be done dynamically by moving the mouse, following different laws of evolution. The surface is now relimited by the projection of one or two style curves. Fillets are made on the mold joint surfaces. A new surface is created to define the top portion of the flask. The joint limits can be easily determined with the mouse. The second surface is also relimited by the projection of the second style curve. The same design approach is used to create a large portion of the flask. You will notice an undefined tapered zone. This type of technique is remarkably achieved with the help of the fill function and assures that all surfaces maintain tangency continuity. The flask is completed with the help of join and fill functions. The bottom has to be slightly deformed to maintain the stability of the flask and is finished by a fillet. By modeling the top part of the flask using curves created by finger impressions, projection surfaces are made. Using the mouse, they are distorted until the desired curve is obtained. Tangency conditions are imposed on the mold joint, and this part of the flask is finalized with fillets. The neck of the flask is defined by a surface reference based on a sketch. The top of the flask is again finished with a fillet. Symmetry is applied to obtain the entire flask. The functions for analyzing surface quality are quite extensive. CATIA version 5's powerful surface design tools allow the most complex models to be created while at the same time respecting the designer's intentions.